Hello my dear friend, welcome back. In this tutorial you will learn how to install apps on your Android phone. If you are new here to my channel, consider to subscribing. Let's get started. First, grab your phone, open the Google Play Store. Make sure to your phone is connected with valid Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Also log into your Google account. After it's done, simply go to the search bar in the Play Store. Here search for the app name if you install. For this video I am installed TikTok Lite. So search for TikTok Lite. Once you search them, find the exact app there. Tap on their name to open the next page. After that you can make sure to this app is the real app, not be fake. Once you verified, simply tap on the install button and wait to complete the installation process. This is depend what type your internet connection. If your connection is very fast, this installation just for a few seconds, or your internet connection is slow, maybe few minutes. After the installation is process done, you can see the open button. If you found the install app your app drawer home screen, return to your home page, open the app door, swipe left or right. Here you can find the app. For example, I am found the TikTok Lite app. If you decide to if the app you can add it to your home screen, don't worry. Simply long press the app icon, then drag to the bottom and set your desired spot. For example, I am set there and release your finger and automatically set them. To use them, open it, log into your account or sign into your account and use it. Thanks for watching. Like this video.